Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to create LinkedIn account. So first of all, what you need to do, you need to go ahead and download the app, and after you download it, you're going to enter the LinkedIn. Now what I'm going to do in order to create an account or sign up for an account, just what you're going to see, right here a window just like this. Just go ahead and agree and join, and just move on adding your first name and last name. And after you add in it, what you're going to see, you're gonna see the continue button. Just move on to it, add your email, and after you adding your email, I'm gonna just go ahead and add my email right here. Move on to the next step, which is adding my password, and add your password right here that you currently use. So move on to the next step, wait up for a few moments right here, and here they will do like a security kind of a check to verify that you are a human or whatnot. So just basically solve this puzzle. What you're gonna choose, you're gonna just choose the correct picture, and basically you're gonna continue to the next step. And as you can see, I've already used this email, so I'm gonna use another email, and I'm gonna just continue. And I'm gonna, as you can see right here, I'm gonna just enter my location, and I'm gonna just move on to the next step, which is if you are a student, just toggle on you are a student. If you aren't, just enter your recent job title. Okay, now after you enter it, just go ahead right here and just select the employment type, if it was full-time, part-time, self-employed, and just the country or the company, sorry, of your hiring. If it was a known company like Adidas, Apple, whatever, just choose it. If it's not on the list, just leave it out. Okay, now afterwards, you're gonna just go ahead and continue to the next step. And as you can see right here, you're gonna add your photo, and after you add the photo, just skip for now, and you're gonna just enter the 6-digit code that's been sent on my iCloud. So I'm gonna just go ahead to my email or on my iCloud, and I'm gonna just add this verification code, copy it, go back to your screen, and just go ahead to the to the LinkedIn and just verify, and just are you looking for a job, and you're gonna say yes. Move on to the next step, and if you want the job location to be remote, just go ahead and add location, and just say you want it to be remote. Okay, by just typing remote. All right, and afterwards, what you're gonna see, if you didn't see that option, just keep it preferably on your location area. So as you can see right here, it says I'm open to remote work. Just go ahead and leave it out, so the keywords or the algorithms of LinkedIn suggest you that remote kind of work. Okay, and from here you're gonna get notification if you wanted to get a new job posted related to your situation or related to your position. And afterwards, you're gonna see right here, let recruiters know you are open for new jobs. If you want to do that, just toggle it on, which is I prefer. And afterwards, hit done. And as you can see, you're gonna see right here people suggesting for LinkedIn to follow, to make a connection. And afterwards, you're gonna follow companies like Nvidia, LinkedIn, or Google, or whatever. Just go ahead and do that. And after you finish, as you can see, they will set up your LinkedIn page. And as you can see, this is the interface of the LinkedIn. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.